अस्सलामुअलैकुम फ्रेंड्स एंड वेलकम टू आवर चैनल सिचुएट वीकेंड। इस चैनल के ज़रिए आप देख सकेंगे कि कौन सी कंपनीज किस पोजीशन पर कहाँ कहाँ हायरिंग कर रही हैं और कौन से सिटीज़ में। तो आए देखते हैं कहाँ कहाँ पर जगह खाली है। द फर्स्ट पोजीशन इन आवर वीडियो इज़ फ्रॉम गडून टेक्सटाइल। दे आर हायरिंग मैनेजर फाइनेंशियल रिपोर्टिंग एंड एनालिसिस। Required education यहाँ पर mention है CA qualified. Experience required is at least 1 year post articleship experience and the job location is based in Karachi. They have mentioned few KPIs here. Strong leadership skill they are seeking, and they are seeking periodic financial statement preparation of and ensure compliance of reporting requirement. The second position in line with is technical business analyst. GFK Pakistan is hiring, and the role required the capabilities of market working alongside product management, engineering, sys architecture, data science and operations terms. The minimum 4 years of experience is required for this position, and they have not mentioned the city here. I cannot see the city in this advertisement, but the email address is mentioned, so you can apply on amaramalik@jfk.com. ठीक है जी, अब हम चलते हैं अपनी नेक्स्ट पोजीशन की तरफ। नेक्स्ट पोजीशन है हमारे पास इज़ Manager Weaving. It is Shabbi Textile Mills. It is based in Lahore. The education required for this position is BS Textile. Preferred is specialization in weaving, fabric manufacturing. Total vacancies available is 1, and have mentioned the salary package, which is 70 to 90k. Okay, you can send in resume at the given email address. Apply before 20 December 2020. Okay, so let's move on to the next position. The next position in line is Assistant Manager IT Security. The company is ESW Park and the location is Karachi. The job is based in Karachi. The experience required is 3 to 5 years experience. Education required is BBA, MBA with IT certifications. There is no restrictions on gender. Male, female both can apply for this position, and they have not mentioned salary package here in this. ठीक है जी, let's move on to the next position, and the next position is Manager Supply Chain, an FMCG company in Karachi, client in Karachi, so definitely the position is based in Karachi. The required experience is 3 years in total, with 3 years of lead as a lead. ठीक है जी, उसके बाद आगे मूव करते हैं। Knowledge of SAP would be a plus point. Preference for FMCG candidate, but pharma and chemical industry candidate are also acceptable. So if you match this profile, you can apply here. Salary range they have mentioned is 375k, and the email address is mentioned here. hrs-int.com is the company. Okay जी, नेक्स्ट हमारे पास आ जाती है यहाँ पर पोजीशन है रिटेल सेल्स मैनेजर. जॉब लोकेशन इज कराची, and education required is MBA only from a reputable university. Experience required is 3 years with leading retail brand, and the company is again not mentioned, but the URL given in the email address is of libertybooks.com. So I believe कि लिबर्टी बुक्स की ही पोजीशन है, तो लेकिन कराची बेस्ड है, तो आप यहाँ पर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं if you match the profile. Let's move on to the next ad. It is procurement professional. Looking forward to connect with procurement professional for FMCG background with 2 to 3 years of experience. And okay जी, अच्छा यहाँ पर भी कंपनी मेंशन नहीं है, बट द ईमेil address shows that this company is imtiazsupermarket.com.pk. So इन्होंने लोकेशन मेंशन नहीं की है. They just have mentioned the number of experience they need. This is 2 to 3 years. मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट एड, यहाँ पर हमारे पास मेज़ान कंपनी का एड है and they are hiring area sales manager based in Lahore, and the ad is quite blurred. I cannot read the specification, but what I can read is the email address, which is careers@mezzangroup.com. Deadline is 5 December, and I cannot read this ad. It's very blurred. And employment type permanent, job location, the job function is channel development, sales, industry, FMCG. That's all I can read from this ad. Let's move on to the next ad, which is payroll specialist. Retail company is looking for payroll specialist. Urgent incumbent should be MBA having 2+ years of same position experience with command in payroll software, MX Excel. Package mentioned here, which is 40 to 45K plus benefits based on expertise, और this position is based in Lahore, और यहाँ पर इन्होंने एड्रेस दिया हुआ है। ठीक है जी, आगे बढ़ जाते हैं। यहाँ पर हमारे पास है इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर की पोजीशन, अटक सीमेंट पाकिस्तान। द पोजीशन इज़ बेस्ड इन हब बलूचिस्तान। द क्वालिफिकेशन इज़ रिक्वायर्ड इज़ ग्रेजुएट इन इलेक्ट्रिकल इंजीनियर एंड इन पावर और electronics pharma, reputed university. Experience required is 8 to 10 years experience in power plants. ठीक है जी, उसके बाद एज रिस्ट्रिक्शन है यहाँ पर not more than 45 years. Please mention the position and subject line, which is electrical engineer HR atak@cement.com. अच्छा, नीचे एक और पोजीशन है mid level resource, and the position is, yes, the mid level resource is the position, and the required qualification is MBA in supply chain or equivalent with BE and added advantage. एक्सपीरियंस इनको रिक्वायर्ड है 8 years का। यहाँ पर भी इन्होंने रिस्ट्रिक्शन लगाई हुई है। सेम एड्रेस पर आप जो हैं अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। एंड मेंशन द पोजीशन एप्लीकेशन फॉर लोकल प्रोक्योरमेंट इन सब्जेक्ट लाइन। ये नीचे वाली पोजीशन है बेस्ड है कराची में। If this video helps you out, please like it, subscribe it and share it with your friends so that everyone can take benefit out of it. और इंशाल्लाह हम कोशिश करेंगे कि हम रोज़ाना की बेसिस पे जॉब्स जो हैं वो लेकर आएँ आपके लिए, और जिससे सबको ही फ़ायदा हो। थैंक यू एंड जज़ाकल्लाह।